Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Jio SIM balance and active data pack in the My Jio app so you know your baseline allowance. Once done, open your phone settings and enable Data Saver. This prevents background apps from burning megabytes. Make sure auto-sync and automatic app updates are off. They silently use a lot of data. Doing these first gives immediate savings and prepares your phone for the deeper, app-by-app controls will apply next. Now you take control of the middle steps. Go to Settings, Network and Internet Data Usage and restrict background data for heavy apps like social media, maps, and cloud backups. This stops hidden consumption. Next, open each streaming app and set video or music quality to low or standard. This cuts bandwidth drastically while keeping content usable. Finally, make sure Play Store and App Store updates are set to Wi-Fi only, and schedule large downloads when you have a trusted Wi-Fi connection. Finish by monitoring usage. Check My Jio and Android's data usage cycle daily to spot spikes and set a warning or hard limit to prevent surprises. Buy a targeted top-up or converter pack only when essential and enable notifications so you don't overspend. If data still drains unusually fast, force stop or uninstall suspicious apps, clear cache, and reboot. Key troubleshooting tip: if you can't find the culprit, reset network settings and contact Jio support. Often a network or provisioning issue causes unexpected usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.